E, ooh.
I thought you were
Oh
going to
my
start
God. Like this?
exercising.
नहीं, because हम लोग हमेशा एक गाने के साथ शुरुआत करते हैं.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that was
So-
the, तो मैं थोड़ा वो
पर
कोशिश
मैंने
किया.
सुना है कि हमारी जो गेस्ट है आज वो अच्छा गाना गाती है.
Okay, so let's rewind. Let's rewind. Welcome to Becky Baate podcast. This is the passionate series that you are listening to right now. Today we have a very talented performer, artist, and I think a passionate. Exactly, what describes passionate? That person. So yeah, please welcome.
So please welcome Sneha Shetty on our Becky Baate podcast.
Thank you so much.
So how are you, Sneha?
I'm great.
Great. और आज सुबह क्या किया?
Well, बोलो.
Before that, मेरे को ये बोलना है. तो Sneha has done the reason why she's here. She's done theatre. She's done short films.
She's done stage
ad commercials,
performances.
stage performances.
Yes.
And उसके साथ साथ she's also done hosting.
Correct.
Right? But इसके साथ साथ she's also passionate about baking.
I'm passionate about food.
You're passionate about food. But you bake cakes, ना?
I do.
क्या? What is your cake का वो ये
Page?
Page, हाँ.
Facebook page is Sneha's Cake House.
Sneha's Cake House.
Oh.
Nice.
Nice,
तो
nice.
हम लोग वैसे भी sponsors ढूंढ रहे हैं, तो we'll be in touch with you, yeah. हमारे guest के लिए,
So see, there's so
Aisha.
much to get from the guest today.
Yeah,
right?
we have a lot of things.
Yeah.
So this passionate series, basically, we've started so that we can share passion stories with our listeners. And usually people always say कि यार, अभी टाइम सही नहीं है, सही टाइम आएगा तब मैं शुरू करूंगी या करूंगा अपने पैशन के लिए काम या समथिंग ऑफ दैट सॉर्ट, लाइक फॉलोइंग योर ड्रीम. दे से दैट नहीं राव, आई हैव रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज, आई हैव अदर थिंग्स टू टिक ऑफ एंड देन आई and that time never comes.
Yeah, but
because
there are
responsibilities never stop.
Yeah, and there are very less people you can say जो अपने normal career के साथ भी अपना passion follow करते हैं. What do you think?
Yeah, and
Yeah.
and that's the reason we have started the series where we share your story,
Yeah.
so that probably when you're listening to this or watching to this, you get inspired
Correct,
in some
correct.
way.
Okay.
And the other reason also is because we are part of the upcoming project
Yes.
Yatra
by Prayas.
by Prayas, and you have been a member of Prayas for a very long time. So we would like to know some insights about that as well.
Yeah. So we will definitely dive into it. उसके पहले हम लेते हैं एक छोटा सा break, and before that we would like to thank our media sponsors, Inspire Media Works. Thank you.
जिनके सौजन्य से
सौजन्य.
जिनके
Okay.
सौजन्य से
Okay, I agree. Your Marathi is better.
ये मराठी नहीं, हिंदी है.
हिंदी है.
Oh God.
तो
Sorry.
जिनके सौजन्य से हम आपके लिए ये वीडियो लेकर आ रहे हैं YouTube पे. तो अगर आपको भी, if you are also interested in creating a video for yourself, if you want to create a real estate video, a business video, वैसे स्नेहा केक हाउस, अगर आपको भी आपका एक प्रेप वीडियो ऐसे कुछ बनाना है, एडिट करवाना है,
So you know whom
get
to
in touch with
contact.
Inspire Media Works. They will
Yeah.
help you out. And मिलते हैं एक ब्रेक के बाद.
Yes. Welcome back after the short break on Becky Baate podcast on Passionate series. और मैं हूँ देविका और मेरे साथ है
मैं हूँ रुजबे, और वैसे हमारे इंस्टाग्राम हैंडल्स बाद में देंगे हम आपको. लेकिन हमारे साथ आज बहुत स्पेशल गेस्ट है स्नेहा शेट्टी. एंड इनको आपने काफ़ी सारे परफॉर्मेंसेज में इधर उधर ऑकलैंड में देखा ही होगा. वैसे स्नेहा, टू डाइव इनटू योर डायरेक्टली, मतलब मैं अभी नो वेस्टिंग टाइम. सो टेल मी दिस, ये जो थिएटर का, जो एक्टिंग का, जो इसको कीड़ा कहते हैं हम लोग, आई थिंक यू विल ऑल्सो अग्री टू दैट, राइट? तो ये जो कीड़ा है, ये बचपन से है कि बड़े होके आया, मतलब?
नहीं, बचपन से है.
So बचपन से you were into all such extracurricular activities like theatre and everything.
Yeah.
Oh, wow,
I
that's
did
nice.
everything. I was one of those kids who did everything. Only singing नहीं था, क्योंकि स्कूल में एक बार मैं चली गई थी वो ऑडिशन के लिए, एंड मेरे को भेज दिया वापस कि बोले तू गा नहीं सकती बहन, चली जा.
But I don't know why मैंने ऐसे rumors सुने हैं that you sing very well.
we'll touch that
I will
later.
touch, but I'm just saying ये rumors पहले फैलाने चाहिए ना.
हाँ, तो we have heard that, but we'll get into that. तो acting में, what was your first performance ever on stage?
And at what age?
Okay. I was, I think 6 or 7. Second standard क्या है? 7 years?
हाँ
Yeah, I
हाँ
think
ना
so.
हाँ. So I was part of the school play
हाँ.
and my character was that of a nurse.
ओह
मेरा पहला लाइन भी याद है मेरे को.
क्या क्या
बोलूं?
हुआ? क्या
बोलना,
नाम है?
बोलना.
Princess, princess, where are you?
Wow.
Wow, so nice, yeah. मतलब
And then you were always there in plays and all.
हाँ, I did plays. I did more dancing while I was growing up.
Wow.
And then फिर जब भी college में चले गए तभी I started doing a lot of street plays.
Street plays.
Yeah, so we did a lot of street theater. तो हम लोग का group था college में जो सब जिनको acting का कीड़ा था सब साथ में आ गए and we started doing street plays. We started participating in competitions and things like that.
So how did you bring that legacy to New Zealand?
So New Zealand was interesting क्योंकि New Zealand जब भी आई तो go through the same process of every immigrant. First when you come, your focus is to get that job, get your visa sorted, settle down and things like that. तो वो सब तो चल ही रहा था and around that time.
So sorry, just to get into that. So you came here to study what?
So
Or you come to study?
yeah, I mean the thing is कि मैं न्यूजीलैंड मुझे जबरदस्ती भेजा गया था.
Okay.
मुझे आना नहीं था.
I think न्यूजीलैंड की सबकी स्टोरी
नहीं, नहीं,
ऐसी ही है.
नहीं, नहीं.
No, not जबरदस्ती, but their option was, first option was something else, but second option was न्यूजीलैंड. मेरा भी ऐसे ही था.
नहीं, मेरा फर्स्ट ऑप्शन न्यूजीलैंड ही था. ओनली ऑप्शन न्यूजीलैंड था क्योंकि मेरे को पता है और कहीं मेरे को लेंगे नहीं. इधर ही यहाँ पे तो हाँ.
नहीं मैं तो मतलब खुश थी मतलब इंडिया में एकदम सही. लेकिन मेरी माँ ने बोला कि भाई तू वेस्ट कर रही है लाइफ, चली जाओ. चलो ठीक है आ जाओ. तो दैट्स हाउ आई केम हियर एंड देन जब भी चल रहा था सब कुछ फिर लगा कि नहीं क्रिएटिव लाइफ इज मिसिंग, मतलब चाहिए वो. तो तभी तो मतलब इधर उधर देखा, मेरे को कोई मिला नहीं जो ऑलरेडी कुछ ऐसे कर रहा है या whatever. But then I met this person called Mr. Ram Iyer, who was organizing a lot of events in New Zealand tabhi. I think abhi his company is known as CFI events or whatever.
Okay.
So then I started working with him. I did a lot of hosting of shows, Bollywood shows, local singing shows and stuff like that. तो काफ़ी time तक that kept me going कि चलो कुछ तो चल रहा है करके. And फिर थोड़े सालों बाद I found out about प्रयास करके. But at that point there were a lot of other things happening in life, तो मतलब कुछ किया नहीं उस बारे में मैंने. एंड मेरे को ये भी नहीं पता था कि कैसे मैं किसको पूछूँ, किसे कांटेक्ट करूँ, मतलब मेरा कोई लिंक ही नहीं था. तो फिर बाद में एक दिन फिर मैं उनके शो देखने गई. तो फर्स्ट शो आई वॉच वाज रुदाली, which was at Tapak as well. And I remember sitting there watching it and I was like, भाई करना है. Like audience बंद कर नहीं बैठना है times.
Yeah, I think sorry to cut you off because I had the same experience. मैंने first time दारा देखी थी and I had like okay इसके बाद even I want to be a part of something like this. I think I can relate to it whatever.
उसमें उसने रोशनारा का I think ये देखा कैरेक्टर जो रोशनारा कैरेक्टर था. मेरे को भी करना है स्टेज पे.
Okay, no, but it was really good. Yeah. Sorry, you can continue. मुझे बस एकदम connection आ गया दिमाग में.
Yeah, all good. And फिर around that time there were some life events that happened as well. Like my mom passed away and things like that. तो उस टाइम पे कैसे होता है कि जब अपना कोई क्लोज जब भी तुम लूज़ करते हो तो lot of reflection kind of happens. एंड तभी फिर लगा कि ठीक है यार, मतलब पैसा काम वगैरह सब ठीक है वो तो चलता रहता है, लेकिन तुमको ट्रूली क्या करना है कि व्हाट ब्रिंग्स यू ट्रू जॉय एंड हैप्पीनेस. एंड आई न्यू कि इट वाज बीइंग अ क्रिएटिव इज़ व्हाट ब्रिंग्स मी हैप्पीनेस. तो तभी मैंने सोचा कि ना चाहे जो भी हो जाए अभी करना है करके. तो फिर उसके बाद में देयर वाज एन अपॉर्चुनिटी वहाँ दिस शी इज़ अ गुड फ्रेंड ऑफ माइन, सपना सामंत. शी वाज लुकिंग फॉर एन एक्टर फॉर अ शॉर्ट फिल्म. तो उसके लिए ऑडिशन किया. तभी तो मतलब काफ़ी टाइम से एक्टिंग नहीं किया था तो एक्सपीरियंस इतना नहीं था, लेकिन उसको पता नहीं उसने देख लिया मेरे को, बोला कि चलो ठीक है आ जाओ. तो आई स्टार्टेड ऑफ डूइंग अ शॉर्ट फिल्म विद हर कॉल्ड डेट्स वी पे.
Debts We Pay.
Yeah, it's with Ahi. Ahi was my husband in the film. And after that, I auditioned for Prayas that same year. क्योंकि वो किया तो थोड़ा कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्ड आया कि चलो कर सकते हैं. एंड उससे सपना वाज आल्सो वेरी एनकरेजिंग कि नहीं है, मतलब थोड़ा तो कुछ टैलेंट है भाई, गो फॉर इट.
सो जस्ट टू गिव आवर ऑडियंस जस्ट व्हाट इज प्रयास, और दे जस्ट वांट टू नो क्या होता है प्रयास में. हाउ
हमने लास्ट टाइम कोशिश की थी बोलने की और आई थिंक थोड़ा बहुत हम लोग थे, मतलब मेरे को एक बहुत अच्छा ब्रीफ जो है मैं अभी रिपीट करूँगा. तो प्रयास इज समथिंग अपार्ट फ्रॉम द 3 Bs जिससे इंडिया एसोसिएट होती है. which is India is always associated with Bhangra, butter chicken, and Bollywood.
Okay.
And Prayas is
I was
something.
scared कि you'll tell another B. मैंने वो नहीं चाहिए.
so the Prayas stands outside of that stereotype and is showcasing India in its true sense. What India is apart from all these three jazz things that
Yeah,
we
so
talk about.
actually, because you being a director, you know what's the core of Prayas. So what is it about?
I think Prayas is definitely about authentic South Asian storytelling. And I think that's what makes it stand apart from, a lot of other, I think, South Asian companies and stuff. And also, I guess the best part about Prayas is ki we perform in English. So, matlab, audience is not just restricted to South Asian people, but it's much more wider. So more New Zealanders, because the idea is that the more South Asian storytelling we do on stage, the more stories we tell people who are not South Asian, the more they can understand your culture and they can relate to you. And that then kind of bridges that gap that as an immigrant, you face.
Yeah.
You don't understand me and I don't understand you. And I think Prayas provides that medium where you can kind of start building that picture for each other.
Right.
That's true.
And the other thing I would say about Prayas is not just a theatre company. It is like, it's a home for a lot of artistic migrants or whatever. Because I remember when I joined Prayas, acting वगैरह तो मतलब हो रहा है, like, we're kind of doing those things. But the people you meet, the friendship, the
Yes.
friendships that you develop, it's like a home away from home. It's just, it's beautiful. And I think a lot of people keep coming back to Prayas more for that community feeling, more for,
Yeah, right.
family feeling.
the family feeling.
I think मेरी भी story वैसी है. Like I came here, I started doing hosting and this and that, and then I heard about Prayas, and I was like कि यार मेरे को भी करना है, ये करना है, लेकिन I know I'm not an actor. लेकिन मेरे को बहुत interest है, मतलब मेरे अंदर वो कीड़ा है कि I want to experience it. And then I remember speaking to a few people because Roji used to work at the same place where I used to work, but we never met. But our common colleague, she used to tell me that, oh, he works, you should speak to him. And then I remember meeting Ritesh, and मैंने Ritesh को बोला कि यार क्योंकि इंडिया से मैं आया था ना, तो इंडिया में हमारा क्या सेटिंग है क्या कोई, मतलब कैसे जाते हैं, सेटिंग है क्या.
Exactly.
तो आई आस्क्ड हिम कि कोई सेटिंग है क्या यार, कुछ सेटिंग करा ना. तो बोलता अरे ब्रो सेटिंग नहीं है, ऑडिशन होते हैं, ऑडिशन में आना है, ऑडिशन में देखो सिलेक्ट किया तो यूल कम, बट यू कम फॉर द ऑडिशन, डोंट वरी, एवरीवन गेट्स समथिंग और द अदर. ही टोल्ड मी दैट वो टाइम पे, क्योंकि वो टाइम पे ऑडिशन पे, ये 2-3 साल पहले की बात है, वी हैड 25-30 पीपल फॉर द ऑडिशन एट दैट टाइम फॉर दारा.
That's right.
25-30 पीपल. ये बार मैं ऑडिशन पे गया 70 लोग एक बैच में, और ऐसे 2-3 बैच थे, एंड आई वाज लाइक ओह इसमें बहुत टफ होने वाला है.
ऑडिशन, आई मीन मुझे प्रोसेस बहुत अच्छा लगा था ऑडिशन का. आई एंजॉयड द ऑडिशन. मुझे ऐसे लगा कि ओके मतलब सिलेक्ट होना ना होना दैट्स अ डिफरेंट थिंग, बट आई डिड व्हाट आई वांटेड टू डू. सबको हंसा के आ गई थी मैं.
तो ऑडिशन के ऊपर से एक और स्टोरी बोलती
Yeah,
हूँ.
yeah.
तो माय फर्स्ट ऑडिशन विद प्रयास, आई गॉट रिजेक्टेड.
हाँ.
तो मैं ऑडिशन पे गई, किया मैंने जो करना था, लेकिन मुझे तभी पिक नहीं किया. तो मैंने चलो ठीक है, नेक्स्ट टाइम ट्राई करता है. लेकिन फिर थोड़े हफ्तों बाद सुदीप्ता का मेरे को मैसेज आता है फेसबुक पे कि हमारी एक एक्टर ड्रॉप आउट हो गई है, वुड यू लाइक टू प्ले दिस कैरेक्टर. छोटा सा कैरेक्टर है. वी वर लाइक नो वरीज, आई विल बी देयर.
ये शाहरुख की स्टोरी हो गई ना, मतलब ऐसे पहले शाहरुख भी ऐसे रिजेक्ट हो गया था, एंड देन ही गॉट लाइक अ रोल व्हिच अदर एक्टर रिजेक्टेड और कुडंट कम मेक इट, एंड देन दैट्स फ्रॉम वेयर ही बिकेम शाहरुख खान. तो सही है.
मैंने भी ऐसे आई थिंक प्राउड एशियन थिएटर, उसका ऑडिशन मैंने सबसे पहले दिया था एंड आई गॉट रिजेक्टेड. एंड मेरे को ऐसे लगा वो प्रयास का था, but I was like, I was wrong. It was Proud Asian Theatre, but I was rejected as well.
That's okay. I think rejection is part of being an artist.
Yeah.
I think
True.
it's one of the things that you build a lot of resilience being an actor and an artist, because you're continuously dealing with rejection, being judged.
Yeah.
It's a
Yeah.
part and parcel of
So you
life.
touched a very nice topic over here about being judged. But before getting into that being judged, I want to talk about one of your play, like ये जो यात्रा play हो रहा है. Can you give us some snippet about what Yatra is about, and then I'll get into my question.
Okay. So Yatra is made up of 8 stories, and in each of those stories, all the characters are on their own yatra. Okay?
Wow.
And then we're bringing all their journeys together and presenting as this one big yatra as such.
Okay.
और क्या
नहीं, very nice. तो अभी इसके ऊपर नहीं, I was waiting के मतलब, so this is all about journey, and now I want to talk about one piece that I am very intrigued about. I want to know more about it. So there's one piece which you are directing.
Yes.
It's called Aurat.
Yes.
So can you give us some more information on what Aurat is all about?
Okay. Aurat is my favorite piece. I love it.
Yeah.
So Aurat is written by Safdar Hashmi, and it was written, I think, 1970s, Kabita, if I'm not wrong. And it's a very beautiful piece, very poetic, it's very differently written. So the way it's about women from different stratas of life talking about their experience with patriarchy, and there are some feminist elements in there as well. And the beauty of it is that it was written on the spot during a women's conference,
Wow.
and then it was performed as street theatre. It was originally developed as a street play.
Okay.
So it was performed as street play a number of times. I think it's had like 2,500 shows
Wow.
already
Wow, that's
in
so cool.
multiple languages. So yeah, so it's beautiful, and I think so. The challenge for me with Yatra was to bring something which is got its roots obviously in the 70s and stuff, but unfortunately those themes still resonate with today's world. Because as women we still face a lot of not injustices, but a lot of prejudice.
Correct.
And you're constantly fighting for your place.
Yeah.
Still in a lot
Because
of
there's
areas.
a box that you need to fit in.
Yeah.
To be a woman,
Yeah.
to be a girl. ये box के बाहर अरे लड़की बनना मतलब ये box में रहेगी. That like boundaries.
हाँ.
Hypothetically.
And I think मेरे लिए, क्योंकि I've been one of those persons I've always rejected being in a box.
Yeah.
So I've been a rebel all my life. So for me, it was the best piece to direct because I was like, this is totally something I relate with. But I guess we've made it a bit more contemporary with this piece in Yatra, and made it more relatable to today's world and stuff. So I've got like 5 amazing actresses that I'm working with, and each of them I think did a great job. And I'm not just saying because it's my piece and they are there, but it is even though it's a small piece, it's quite an intense piece. And I think each of us, it brings up events or emotions in each of us, depending on how you interpret the content. So it was very emotionally intense for each of the people in the room as well.
Okay.
So to kind of deal with that and then bring that into your performance is not easy. So the fact that the actors were really open to the process, they were willing to kind of be vulnerable, bring that out, was beautiful to watch. And as a director, I couldn't be more happy.
My next question was very much in the same line. Like, you've been an actor, you've been a director. So what's the difference between those two? Like, what you feel? And I also wanted to know, like, which shoes do you like more, actor or a director?
Okay. So thankfully I was an actor first, and the director later, which makes a huge difference. I think being an actor is probably the easiest part in a production. You turn up, you've got your lines, you do it, you perform it, that's fine. But being a director is a whole different world. You need to kind of conceptualize the whole thing, how you're going to present it. You need to kind of basically do the character work in some ways for each of the roles, and then work with your actors to actually bring that to life. And then depending on how you go, there are obviously different sides to things that come out as you're working with other people, but it's a lot more hard work.
But now my question to you is, so now that you've become a director, and now let's say you have a next production, you are again an actor, not a director. How easy or how tough that thing is going to be for you? Because now, because what difference I have seen in you is, when we work together for Dara, I used to come and ask you, you would be like, nahi, ask the director, you used to be very, very specific with that. Then, nahi, ask the director, whatever the director guides you. But now you're giving me like suggestions, you're giving
Because
me...
I am the assistant director.
No.
So I am allowed to give you that.
Yeah. But, and which is good. Like but how will you stop yourself from doing that when you're an actor again?
No, I think in fact it is easy. It will be easier for me to do that because I think being in the director's shoes, you understand what the director is going through mentally, and you know what are the things they're thinking. Because as actors, sometimes you don't have the idea of the bigger picture,
Right.
so you're only thinking about your role and
Correct.
your interpretation of the story, whereas the director's got his or her own interpretation, and you don't get that straight away. So I think one of the things I would tell actors is that always trust the director and go with what the director is saying. I think one of the lines that Padma says a lot when, because I've worked with Padma in some of the dance shows with Artham Dance Company as well. So she always says that we will never make you look bad.
Right.
And I think you need to, as an actor, you need to trust that.
Trust that.
That each of the people in the production will never want you to look bad or stupid on stage. So if they're telling you something, that means it's going to make it better.
Cool. So, do you like being in actors or director shoots? I didn't get that answer yet. Tricky question, but still, like,
Yeah.
kuch to favorite hoga.
No, I definitely enjoy being an actor.
Okay.
For sure.
Okay.
Direction is good. It's good, and I would potentially like to do a bit more of it. But I think at the core of it,
Actor.
yeah, an actor.
Yeah, even
that's
I would like
nice.
to see you as an actor more. Because honestly, we spoke about this last time also when Agastya was here, that an actor's main job is to observe. Like, if you want to become a good actor, you have to observe different people, how they do different things. Like, for example, when you do your roles, I observe you कि यार क्या मतलब, and I think that's what I've learned now, कि भले तुम्हारे पास एक लाइन हो डायलॉग का, 2 लाइन हो, but how are you making that dialogue stand out? How are you making the audience notice that you're saying that dialogue? I think that's what I think you learn along the way. It's not about kya tumhara character hai and how long is that, or how, it's about what impact that role is or that character is creating in the whole.
And even the smallest of character, चाहे वो एक line बोलने के लिए क्यों ना आए, that character can still make an impact on the audience, as opposed to someone who's going to be on stage for 2 hours.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I think no role, and there's one thing I think when you're still learning to be an actor, like early days, जब you feel like, oh, so all self-important, मेरे को बड़ा role चाहिए, ये क्या है, 2 लाइन ही दिया मेरे पास line ही नहीं है. There are like so many things actors struggle with, but that's something that you realize over time, is that there's no role which is small or big. It's your performance that has the potential to make that impact.
I think this should be our quote for today.
No, yeah,
that's a
seriously.
very nice point actually.
And I think that's what you learn. I have learned this being part of Prayas, because it's such a family environment. Like, everyone is there for each other at that time, which is really very precious, very valuable. Like, I remember जब हमारा line runs होता है, तो you're sitting बाजू में, and someone else is reading someone else's line so that you can practice your line, because you need to be catching the cues. So it's all that.
It's teamwork.
It's teamwork, which is amazing. Okay, now I want to dive into. So what do you do to engage in professional development? Now, by professional development, I don't mean what you do for your full-time job, but
As
in
an
terms
actor.
of as an actor, as a director.
So I've been training as an actor for a few years now. So I've been training with a lot of different tutors around Auckland. And right now I've been training with Casey Stetson Studio for a few years. And she's one of the leading tutors in town. So that is one. So that's my continuous learning. As an actor, you have to keep up. Like one of the tutors once said, it's like a muscle. You go to the gym, which I don't, I need to. But yeah, it's a muscle. So you need to keep working out to keep it fresh and going and stuff. So that's one thing. Then I've done multiple workshops that I do. But more recently, I also started to train in Hindustani classical. But it was not for developing my singing voice, which I was told very early on that I didn't have. But it was more to kind of get more vocal range and kind of improve my vocal
Breathing,
quality,
yeah.
breathing,
Yeah.
those sort of things. Yeah, so that's basically
Maybe
what I
boy,
do.
that's why I sing, because you know, like it's mainly for
See,
opening your voice up.
She sings for herself. You sing on all podcasts.
No, we'll get her to sing for us also.
Yes.
So Sneha, एक हो जाए यार, एक ऐसा एक piece हो जाए, because we've really heard very good things about your singing.
What? I don't know who said this is rubbish.
Agastya, are you listening to this? उसने बताया था हमको.
That you are a very good singer.
Yes. एक छोटा सा कुछ तो हो जाए.
ये पॉडकास्ट फ्लॉप होने वाला है.
नहीं.
हो
क्या
जाए.
गाऊं मैं, मतलब?
Like एक
कुछ
छोटा सा
भी.
कुछ एक ऐसा एक गाना.
Oh my god.
रूज पे आके उसको बेसुरा कर देगा. You
हाँ,
sing.
रोज में तू गाना मेरे साथ.
मैं-
तू गाना
हाँ,
बोल कुछ तो
मैं
फिर
गाता
गाते हैं अपन.
यार मेरे को ना एक दो गाने ही आते हैं. We'll get
कौन
into.
सा आता है तेरे को?
मेरे को वो वाला आता है, कैसे हुआ. ये बहुत अच्छा सिंगर है.
Yeah,
गाना
he's
है
a very good singer.
अरे.
Yeah?
केतन, yeah.
तो उसको गाने को लगाओ ना, मेरे को
हाँ.
क्यों गाने को लगा रहे
उसको
हो?
हम गाने वहां से ही गा ले यार थोड़ा.
कौन सा गाना है ये?
दिस इज
नहीं, कौन सी मूवी
नहीं,
आई थी वो?
कबीर सिंह का गाना
कबीर
है.
सिंह.
कैसे
मैं तो
हुआ
पता
कैसे हुआ तू
कैसे
इतना.
हुआ, कैसे हुआ, तू इतना जरूरी कैसे हुआ.
हाँ, वो
अब
है
कर
क्या?
उसको बेसुरा. No,
नहीं,
but-
मैं
अच्छा,
आज-
कोई भी अगर जो आपको पता है कुछ
जो
भी,
रियाज में
yeah.
गाते हैं ना यार, वो एक
Yeah.
ऐसा थोड़ा सैंपल हो जाए.
ये तो ऑन द स्पॉट हो गया.
तो कोई बात नहीं, हमने we have thrown it कि ऐसे गाना है.
See,
अभी towards the end you can sing.
Yeah, you
Okay,
can sing, but
thanks.
क्योंकि मैं honestly speaking, my first encounter वो with you, मतलब मेरे को पता था who is Sneha Shetty.
Okay.
When you were on stage on Diwali, you were dancing, you were doing a lavani. So शुक्र माना मैंने आपको लावनी करने को नहीं बोला, so you have to sing. But हम साथ में लावनी भी करेंगे. I love लावनी.
Okay.
Yeah, not today, not today, but some other time. I would love to do it.
Oh, that would be fun.
Yeah. No, but
Actually, I want to ask you now. So we have spoken about being judged. We've spoken about patriarchal. What are your experiences? Because see, I'm a man, and obviously, but
Good to know.
but I believe in women empowerment. I'm a feminist, if you go to see that way, because but I believe that women are not weak. तो मेरे को कहीं पे भी ना ऐसा पैम्पर करने को पसंद नहीं आता है कि यू नो कि अरे नहीं आई विल डू इट, ऐसा करके नहीं. आई फील दैट दे आर मोर पावरफुल, मोर केपेबल देन अस, देन मेन. एंड when it comes to emotional strength or even physical strength a lot of times, because yeah, they are more powerful. So मेरे को जब like you know सहानुभूति जो बोलते हैं ना, you know like you know giving very concern, वो मेरे को पसंद नहीं है. What is your take on this? It's a very double-edged sword, because it's very difficult for me being a man to explain that कि I believe in women empowerment, but some people are taking like you know they are using it in a wrong way. Like for example, you say like you know women are equal in everything, लेकिन let's say for example अगर एक चीज़ कहीं से कहीं लेकर जानी है तो अरे तू लड़का है ना, तू उठाना, you know that bit. So what is your take on that?
I think that is a bit different to the concept of equality and
क्यों
stuff
ऐसा
like that.
different है?
अरे क्योंकि I mean at the end of the day we have to acknowledge कि men and women are built differently. ठीक है.
Okay.
So it's more about equity than equality. It's about equity is what कि you identify each other's strengths
And then
and
you
you
capitalize on it.
capitalize on that.
Right.
So I think when you're talking about things like lifting things or saying कि, you know
छोटा सा example दे रहा
हाँ,
हूँ.
हाँ.
Like it's not, I'm not meaning like you know कुछ heavy or something of that sort. Like you know वो जो like you know there's a difference between being courteous
and being a bit condescending.
yeah, like for example opening a door for a girl.
Chivalry.
But then that can be also portrayed as, oh, do you think I'm weak to open the door? I can open my own door. You know, एक लड़के के situation में अगर तुम आओ, I'm not saying normal, मतलब like you know metropolitan लड़का who understands women are, because we have been brought up in that way,
Yeah.
that environment where लड़का लड़की almost similar ही है. And I say almost because there have been a few things कि लड़की जैसा मत रो और ये सब you know बचपन में
That
सुना
is
है वो
wrong,
सब.
हाँ.
हाँ. तो But in that scenario, how do you like, I want you to understand the man's perspective also. Like I understand
Yeah.
women's perspective, लेकिन एक man का perspective भी होता है ना कि भाई मैं क्या करूँ इस scenario में, बाहर डेट पे जा रहा हूँ, should I pay the bill or should I not pay the bill?
Communicate, ask. Don't make, don't
Such an
assume.
easy answer.
Doesn't that become like an awkward question to ask?
Nahin, I think okay.
Like, you know,
if you're going on a date with a truly independent,
She would be
feminist
very
sort of
happy.
woman, yeah,
She would be very happy that the guy
she'll
has asked.
appreciate, because chances are she's thinking the same. Ki maybe I don't want him to pay the bill. I want to split it or whatever. And when you bring it up, it actually makes life easy, because then you can just be open and transparent about it.
Okay, that's such a simple answer to this complicated question. But yeah, good one. Yeah, because I
It took
think
a lot of time to explain that question.
no, I like my
मतलब घूम फिर के रुजबे को अपने डेट का
Date का
सोल्यूशन चाहिए
solution.
था, उसको पेट्रिया की वगैरह के कुछ नहीं
हर
चाहिए
एक पॉडकास्ट में डेट का सोल्यूशन होता है, अगस्त्य को भी वही पूछने बैठा हो.
नहीं उसको पूछा नहीं, लेकिन देखो क्या है, जो अपने मतलब का चीज है उसको पहले कवर अप कर दो.
सही बात है.
हाँ, but yeah, what is your in general take about the system in New Zealand? Because we are here, what do you think? Is it similar to India? Is it different? What is your take?
I think it's mixed. I would definitely say ki there's probably, and this is just my opinion, just to put a caveat on that, is that there's quite a difference between probably men and women who've grown up here from a young age, or born and grown up here, versus people like us who've come from India. I think most of the times what I've seen is, like, especially men and boys who come from India, who've immigrated like us, they do hold on to some of those thoughts and thinking and beliefs. And some people, they evolve and they change their thinking and become a bit more open and a bit more what's the right word to use here? But I mean, they truly understand what that equity and being equal looks like and stuff. Whereas there are some other people who talk about being very modern and open and stuff, but when it comes to behavior and actions, वो वही मतलब गाँव में ही बैठे हैं अभी भी times, you know. So the double standard is there, and sometimes it becomes, I think for me, sometimes it becomes quite challenging, because you know, because you can't really challenge everyone on that, especially if you don't know people that well. But even if you know people that well, sometimes if they truly believe that they are, you know, very feminist and very open, then how to burst that bubble and give them the reality becomes a bit of a challenge sometimes, and people don't take it well, and especially, you know, male ego is fragile.
Yeah.
तो थोड़ा सा problem हो जाता है.
100%. So, what has been the most embarrassing, not embarrassing, yeah, but the most weird compliment or patriarchal comment that you've heard?
That wouldn't be a compliment, right?
Not compliment. That's why I changed.
Yeah.
Oh.
And Devika, even you can answer that, yeah, because I think,
yeah. I'm like
मैं
struggling
भी
to.
सोच रही हूँ कि क्या ऐसा.
मुझे तो अक्सर लोगों ने एक कहा है चीज कि बिकॉज पिंक इज माई गो टू कलर. आई रियली लव पिंक. आई डोंट नो व्हाई. मैंने बचपन में मेरे बेडरूम के दीवारों का कलर पिंक कर दिया था, मेरे स्कूटर का कलर पिंक कर दिया था, बिकॉज आई लाइक पिंक. और मेरे को हर कोई उस पर बोलता था कि तू लड़की है क्या पिंक कलर, यू नो. तो मेरे को वो तभी भी नहीं पड़ता था, एंड आई एम अभी भी मुझे नहीं पड़ता.
बट मुझे आज तक पता नहीं चला व्हाई इज जेंडर बेस्ड ऑन कलर्स. आई मीन ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग, बीइंग अ गर्ल, आई मीन मतलब I don't know, pink is not my
Hopefully
color.
that's changing now.
Yeah.
It can't change much because you see at the end of the day gender reveal जो होता है.
But that itself is a wrong thing to
That
do.
itself is a
I mean, obviously it's
exactly,
created
yeah.
so many issues in the US right now. But
तो
it's
वही,
itself,
हाँ,
yeah.
क्यों जेंडर रिवील भी करके क्या
अभी
ही
मैं
होगा?
gender reveal
It's like, you know, when people say, oh, you've done really very well for yourself as a girl. And then you're like, what does that mean? Or या फिर, you know, when people will tell you कि, you know, अभी settle हो जाओ. करके.
Oh,
And I'm
yes.
like, I'm actually quite settled. Like, you know, what do you mean by that? Like, you know.
Oh my god. You know, actually we were thinking, हमारा बैकी पाते podcast series जो होता है, उसमें one of the next topics that we were going to touch on was settle हो जा.
Settlement, yeah.
So now because you've spoken about that, and I think we have a little bit of time. So what is your concept about settle हो जा? And the reason I'm asking you this is
because
because
nobody knows the answer for it, I
क्योंकि
guess.
first world problem में you had a bit on some
I did,
you
yes.
had done a bit on that. Yeah, I would like you to talk about that.
I think, look, what when we talk about being settled, what is it? It's basically that you're earning enough to feed yourself, to meet all your needs. That you, and it's not just basic needs. कि तुमको कुछ खरीदना है तो you've got the means to do that. You want to go somewhere, you know, you've got the means to do that. I think settle for me is you've got everything in life to make it comfortable and complete.
Yeah.
So, from those terms, I think the definition of settle will differ from person to
Person to
person.
person.
For some people, having a very high-paying job, having your own house, having a flash car, having a wife and 2 children, that might be the
Settle.
definition of settlement.
Settlement, correct.
Maybe for someone like me, the fact that I'm earning enough to meet my needs, I can pursue my passions, I'm safe, I'm comfortable, I'm pretty settled. You know?
Yeah.
I think it's having a routine and being content with that routine
That's right.
is being
And even if
settled.
it's not a routine, and being content
Being
with it is
content.
fine.
Yeah.
Because लोगों कभी कभी ऐसे मुझे लगता है कि few people have that कि नहीं, they मतलब traveling, not settling at one place is also settlement for them.
Yeah.
That is their choice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But for them, having the means to able to do that is what's more
Is what-
important.
Yes,
Yeah.
correct, correct.
और मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जो लोग मतलब ऐसे बोलते हैं ना कि शादी हो गई तो सेटल हो जाओगे, वो शादी हो गई तो फिर बोलते हैं अरे बच्चा हो जाएगा तो और सेटल हो जाओगे.
settlement का कोई
बच्चा
limit
होने
है
के
ही
बाद
नहीं
तो लाइफ इज मोर अनसेटल्ड बिकॉज देन यू हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ सो मेनी थिंग्स एंड यू नो. So yeah, I am completely against that settlement term.
Yeah.
But thank you
Yeah.
because
But,
I wanted
मुझे एक
someone
पॉइंट
to.
टच करना था, हमने स्टार्टिंग में शायद से टच नहीं किया कि व्हाट डू यू डू प्रोफेशनली.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
So right now I work for Oranga Tamariki as part of their quality improvement team.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
And with that you're following this passion.
Yes.
So but you used to work in the medical
Yeah,
field,
so
na?
I've always worked in the healthcare industry. So I worked over here for 10 years at Middlemore Hospital, so County's Manukau District Health Board. So I've always been in health, again in the quality improvement, continuous
Yeah.
improvement sort of a field. And फिर एक time आया कि लगा कि थोड़ा change चाहिए. And I started doing some projects outside of health. And then I was more keen to work in a government agency which was potentially making a more deeper impact in the community and in people's lives. So that's when I think two years ago I decided to take a risk and jumped industries.
Oh nice.
Wow, that's really beautiful.
Great.
And that's why I guess she's here, who's following her passion with her career.
Yeah, and I think one of the things skills of someone who follows the passion is the risk taking ability, because if you're not a risk taker you will always be like कि, अरे नहीं यार, you know, you will not follow your passion follow करने के लिए जिगरा चाहिए.
Correct.
That
You
is
have to
and that is the risk
willing to
taking
risk.
capacity.
Yeah.
Now getting back into Yatra, so Prayas has completed 15 years.
Yes.
Which is called crystal jubilee, ऐसे बोलते हैं क्या? पता नहीं, मैंने कहीं तो भी
नहीं
पढ़ा crystal jubilee हो गया है ऐसा करके.
डालाने वाले तो हम सबके लिए क्रिस्टल.
मैं बजट नहीं होता. अच्छा वो गोल्ड जुबली नहीं हुआ. लेकिन मेरे को यात्रा के बारे में ये जानना है अभी कि कब हो रहा है, कहाँ हो रहा है, मेरे को तो पता
And
है.
what are the 8 place के names? And if you want
Sure.
to brief about them,
Yeah.
would
Cool.
love to listen.
So Yatra is going to be from 1st to 10th of October at Tapak in Western Springs. And the 8 pieces that make up Yatra are Keats was a tuber.
Even I'm there.
Yeah. I really want to meet God. Aurat, guards at the Taj. Water, know the truth. 10-ton tongue. And Harleston High Street.
Yay!
Nice. So ये 8 stories are in one yatra.
Yeah.
Now guys, यहाँ पे कोविड रिस्ट्रिक्शंस अभी भी है इन प्लेस, एंड दैट्स द रीज़न वाई वी वांट टू लेट यू नो दिल से कि अगर इफ़ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड इन वाचिंग दिस प्ले यू शुड बुक योर टिकट्स राइट अवे, बिकॉज बाद में रोना मत कि यार सोल्ड आउट, बिकॉज एवरी टाइम आई टेल यू
हमेशा कोई ना
समथिंग,
कोई रहता है.
every and it gets sold out. The tickets get sold out 1 week prior to the show most of the
Sometimes
times.
more advanced than
More
that.
pehle, हाँ.
But-
So that's why this is and this time it's going to be even more limited seating. So book your tickets ASAP. And I have put a post also on Facebook के don't regret book now
देखा
otherwise
तेरा ad
regret.
देखा मुझे ऐसे लगा कोई इंडियन टीवी चैनल पे ऐड होता है बुक नाउ और यू विल रिग्रेट
No otherwise
उसमें भी धमकी देना
otherwise you will regret मतलब you'll regret because you will regret.
I know,
ऐसा
but तूने-
मेरे को मेरे दोस्तों के साथ हुआ
I
है.
definitely feel that because I think
Yeah.
this show is potentially quite different to what Prayas has done before, and these are like all these pieces have been handpicked by some superb Indian playwrights because the idea of Yatra was to showcase these Indian playwrights who've got these famous works which potentially don't have the opportunity to be showcased in New Zealand. So each of them, I think one of the things as assistant director, because I've been working with all the pieces, one of the things that stood out to me was just the quality of writing and the stories in each of those. It's just beautiful.
Yeah,
And-
I had one of this question here also. Like, how do you select your projects actually? So
Um,
not just Yatra, if you're doing any, I mean, not just Prayas. If you're doing any project outside Prayas, how do
Yeah.
you select it?
With Prayas, so we have an executive committee as Prayas, and I'm part of that as well. So with Yatra, especially the way we did is we had different options that different people, already had in the pipeline, and some new as well. So we all basically kind of read through a few of those, and then we basically had a vote.
Oh wow.
Which one goes this time as such.
Nice.
So it was that way. And outside of that, to be honest, as an actor, because outside of that I've predominantly just worked as an actor.
Okay.
उसमें तो beggars can't be choosers. जहाँ audition किया मिल गया, you're in there.
You're in there. Okay, that's nice. That's
Absolutely.
nice.
वो बेस्ट आंसर है क्योंकि मेरे साथ भी ऐसे ही हुआ है. मैं हमेशा सोचता हूँ कि आई थिंक आई शुड स्टार्ट सेइंग नो, फिर मैं बोला साला कुछ मिलता नहीं है वैसे भी.
But even in that, I think you still can be conscious about what topics your work are going to cover and whether those resonate with you or not. Like if there's a topic which is being done which I totally don't agree with or is offensive, even if I have a character in it, I would say no.
Right. It should sit into your principles.
Yeah.
Yeah, you
मतलब-
need to be authentic.
Yeah,
Right.
जैसे अभी पॉडकास्ट के पहले जब हमारी बात हो रही थी यू हैव टू बी रियल आई थिंक दैट्स व्हाट मैटर्स कि आपकी जो स्टोरी आप सुन रहे हो यू फील दैट कि यस दैट्स अ कनेक्शन बिटवीन मी एंड द स्टोरी एंड आई विल वर्क फॉर इट राइट
Cool.
Yes.
तो इसके साथ आई थिंक वन लास्ट क्वेश्चन वुड बी सो एनी books that you read, any recommendation?
she laughed so nicely that पता
अच्छा
चल
मैं भी नहीं
गया.
पढ़ता हूँ. Any podcast you listen to?
Oh yeah, I definitely. ये मतलब staged बिल्कुल नहीं था. I only listen to Becky बातें. नहीं. Books. Recently I started this thing. I do a lot of Audible because I
Yeah.
don't have the time sometimes to kind of sit and read, and I don't have the focus to do it.
Yeah.
So I listen to a lot of audiobooks. So recently I've been listening to Michelle Obama's Becoming
Yes.
book, which is beautiful.
Yeah.
So yeah.
So that's your book, and I personally prefer audiobooks because for me also opening the book and reading उसमें एक तो मेरे को नंबर का चश्मा है तो बहुत दुखता है सर्वर उसमें.
वेरी गुड रीजन.
डार्क सर्कल्स बढ़ते हैं यार.
एक बात बता एक ऑडियो बुक का नाम बता दे चल.
नहीं how to no I'll tell you
Just kidding.
how to win friends and influence people is an audiobook that I can keep on listening to because it is something that it's life skills. It's about life skills. So that is one book that I've.
Oh, there's this other book called, I don't know if this language is good enough for your podcast, but it's actually called, I think, What the Fuck?
Yeah.
Amazing.
Okay.
Amazing. If
Yeah.
you are someone who's always struggling with trying to please everyone, or, you struggle when people don't behave in a certain way with you, or, you're just sensitive when, you get affected by how people around behave and stuff like that, that's definitely a book to read.
That's a book for me.
Yeah.
For sure. It will really change your perspective and really, yeah.
Now quickly we are running out of time. So one routine or one thing that you follow to keep your mental peace.
To keep my mental peace?
Yeah.
I think listening to music and being a creative. I think
Awesome.
being a creative in a lot of ways started with keeping the mental peace.
Correct.
But I think, music is for me most
Awesome.
of the times the
Yeah.
go-to.
That's nice.
I think one of the reasons that why we started this podcast was to keep our mental peace because this is
yes.
something where we can come out. It's like therapy for me,
Yeah,
coming out
and we
and talking.
started this podcast lockdown के आसपास जहाँ पे actually लोगों को ज़रूरत थी like something to let out. I think mic was the best thing where
Yeah.
we could just blabber things out.
So I think we are almost on time.
Yes.
forget.
गाना नहीं गवाना है.
Oh yes, गाना भी गाना है. And
I was waiting for that point.
स्नेहा's केक हाउस से आज हमारे पास एक बहुत ही
I'll tell the name of the cake.
हाँ तो बोलते क्या है?
रसमलाई केक.
रसमलाई केक है ये?
इट्स एन एक्सपेरिमेंट. ठीक है, क्योंकि जब सर जगह में देख रहे थे कि सब रसमलाई केक बना रहे हैं.
If you can see this रसमलाई केक.
That's
And
so yum.
I'll get you guys to start, yeah.
क्यों तेरे को रिस्क नहीं लेना है?
मैं तो कर सकता
अभी तो बात क्या बड़ा रिस्क लेने का.
अभी ये देखो यही प्रॉब्लम है. Women empowerment है. Chivalry दिखा रहा था मैं.
नहीं खाना है.
मैं करूँ चलो.
हाँ करना.
थोड़ा डीपर पीस ले ऐसे.
डीपर लो.
क्योंकि वो बीच में केक है.
हाँ ये दिखे ना.
एंड शक्ल अच्छी बनाना, मतलब अच्छा नहीं लगे तो भी
हाँ
शक्ल
नहीं
अच्छी
नहीं
बनाना.
Can you pass the bowl
ये
please?
ऑथेंटिक रिएक्शन है कि
नहीं पर मुझे सुनना मेरे मुंह में कब से
Wow.
पानी आ रहा है.
This is amazing.
Ruzbe, pass the cake. I'll use this.
ये बहुत ओवर एक्टिंग था इनका.
This is really good.
No but it's very nice. मेरे को ये जानना है.
Wow.
हाँ जी.
मैं भूल भी गया मेरा क्वेश्चन क्या था.
अच्छा मैं भी ट्राई करूँ, मेरा एक्सपेरिमेंट है तो.
हाँ.
No,
तो
it's
ये-
not.
ये
It
कितना-
wasn't overacting.
कितना टाइम लगा ये बनाने को?
थोड़े घंटे.
Very nice.
How did you start making these cakes यार? इतने सारे इसमें.
Again, I think it relates to the same part of life that I was talking about with my mom and everything. And it was, at that point in time, I was very depressed. I was actually depressed at that time. And सब कुछ चल रहा था. And उसके पहले, a few years ago, खाना पकाने का शौक है. And I was like, खाना तो पका लेती हूँ, but I was like, cakes is something I've never tried, so I wanted to try it. So I started making cakes, and फिर बोला कि they're turning out fine. Now I want them to look nice. So that's how I started experimenting with cake decorating and stuff. तो वो हो गया, and then I started doing my MBA and stuff, and then mom का ये हुआ सब, तो everything got packed. तो उसके बाद में when I was going through that phase, one of my colleagues at the hospital, she knew that I was making cakes before, and randomly out of the blue she emailed me saying कि it's my daughter's birthday, you know, I want a Hunger Games cake. Would you want to try to make it? And I was like, okay. And I made the cake, and then I gave it, and just the process of making it and the happiness that I saw when I gave the product, and you know, that just blew my mind, and I was just like, okay, I just need to do more of this
of
because this is not only bringing happiness to other people, but it's actually bringing happiness back in my
And
life.
that's also part of mental peace again. कि
Yeah, which was part of my
खुशी
mental
मिल
health.
रही है ये करके.
हाँ.
Yeah.
तो वैसे ही स्टार्ट हुआ, एंड फिर हालू हालू I don't do it like a full-fledged business at all. This is more still a hobby sort of a thing on the side, and mostly friends and, you know, friends of friends kind of get to me. And
Word of mouth है mainly.
Word of mouth, and I love it when people come to me with like some complex out of the blue ideas, which then I get to kind of bring to life.
Yeah.
think
I
that's
recently
the
saw the
start.
wedding cake she did. Oh my god, it was looking so beautiful.
I know.
Yeah.
All your cakes have been just fabulous. और मैंने actually पूछा था कि do you do it like professionally, because they're actually very professional. मतलब वो जो
Yeah.
पूरा वो like I don't know, pictures of professional की cake भी, but they look so beautiful. But ये खाने के बाद I'm sure. I want to ask you one more thing. You told me before that you are following a diet and all. Okay, tell me this: how difficult or how easy it is for you to actually stick to the diet when you yourself cook? Like
Very easy. I don't have a sweet tooth.
you don't have a sweet tooth.
No. So I don't eat my cakes.
ये तो जब भी लेफ्ट ओवर होता है तो क्या होता है उस केक का?
Leftover ऐसे
बांट देना रुस्बे के घर पे.
नॉर्मली अलीशा लेके जाती है.
प्लीज यहाँ पे भी थोड़ा भेजो नेक्स्ट टाइम.
हाँ,
वहाँ पे भी यहाँ पे सब बैठे हुए हैं.
I'm sure they're waiting to taste it as well. They're
Yeah.
like, बैठकर खाओ तुम लोग कमीनों. नहीं, I mean right now I'm trying to do less wastage sort of baking. But yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
If there are
दुआ में याद रखना.
leftovers, तो फिर जैसे आज.
हो जैसे आज.
नहीं, this doesn't look leftover. This is like real.
No,
मेरे को
yeah,
लग रहा है
that
ऐसा. But okay, I want to ask you now quickly. तो if people want to get in touch with you for their unique cakes ideas
Cakes,
and they want,
social media,
so
सब कुछ
how do they
बता
get
दो.
in touch with you?
So cakes though, I've got my Facebook page called Sneha's Cake House, so follow it. Yeah, and then I've got my Instagram page as well, Sneha S18. So you can follow.
Sneha, sorry?
S18.
Okay.
स्नेहा शेट्टी है ना?
हाँ, no, it wasn't that audible, so
sorry.
अपने audience के लिए
हाँ,
यार.
नहीं, सही है.
And my Instagram is just filled predominantly with food and my creative life. So
Okay.
yeah, be warned. If you're someone who's on a diet, maybe you'll have an issue.
या मेरे को एक्चुअली वो इशू होता है इंस्टाग्राम पे मैं स्क्रॉल करता हूँ और रात के टाइम पे सबसे ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम होता है बिकॉज यू नो रात का वो एक टाइम ऐसा होता है व्हेन यू आर हंग्री ऑल्सो बट यू आर नॉट ऑल्सो हंग्री बिकॉज देन यू वांट टू स्लीप और वो टाइम पे ऐसे सामने से अगर ऐसे केक वेक सब आ गया I'm like, oh God.
यार ऐसे ऑफिस में कभी कभी उधर टिफिन नहीं लेके जाओ के कह रहे यार मुझे भूख लग रही है सब कुछ देख के आई शुडंट सी इट बोले चलो आज रात को ये खाएंगे.
So, thank you so much, Sneha, for coming over here.
Thank you.
Last few words, if you want to say, you can please.
I think last few words would only be get your tickets, guys,
Huh.
for Yatra. It's what, 2 weeks?
Yeah.
Less than 2
less
weeks.
than 2
Less than
weeks.
2
And we've worked really hard on this, and I would say extremely hard because we've been through lockdown, no lockdown, half lockdown. पता नहीं
know.
सब कुछ experience हो चुका है इसमें. And our actors, our production crew, everyone have worked super hard in extraordinary circumstances.
It'll definitely
so
be
it's
something
a
to
special
look out for,
product,
yeah.
special production. So it will be amazing if you can come and share our yatra by coming
पहली
along to
बार
this
Zoom पे
production.
प्रैक्टिस किया था.
हाँ पहली बार Zoom पे
है ना?
प्रैक्टिस किया था.
एंड वन मोर थिंग ऑल्सो आई वांट टू से इज कि प्रयास का एक और सीरीज हो रहा है ना वो ऑनलाइन कोर्सेज दे आर
Yes.
that is also very interesting. I've done 2 of them. I enjoyed them to the core.
Yeah.
Kyunki I did one which was clown, get your inner clown or something, become
Yeah.
clown, and then other was improv comedy.
Improv.
And simply outstanding.
And
It
that
really
was-
helps you to, you know, like just forget all that stigma, boundaries, कुछ नहीं है. और Zoom पे हो रहा है तो ना, you are at your home, comfort zone में हो तुम, you can just let loose because सारे जो वहाँ पे है, जितने भी लोग हैं Zoom पे, they all are that way.
Yeah.
They all are just letting loose. So it's a very comfortable platform to engage in some development.
And I think the key idea with setting up these workshops was lockdown ke time we wanted to, encourage our South Asian actors especially to come along and improve their skills. And we've got like really very good professionals who we've kind of roped in to kind of do these sessions. So I think make sure you take the opportunity. Just joining, they're free of cost. Obviously, we've got limited numbers, but they're free of cost, which is extremely rare. Normally, these workshops would be really expensive.
Yes.
So I think as South Asians or any budding actors, artists out there, take advantage of this while you can.
100%. Well, on that note, thank you so much for listening and watching Becky
Becky
Baatein
Baatein
podcast,
podcast
the
or
Passionate series.
Passionate series. And if you guys want to get in touch with us, please do email us at beckybaatein@gmail.com. And
Instagram
पे जाके मेरे को फॉलो कीजिए DEVICA9 and obviously Becky Baatein BEHKIBAATEIN.
और मुझे भी आप जाके फॉलो कर सकते हो Auckland_ka_be. बे बोले तो बिफोर एनीवन एल्स, नॉट क्या बे.
तेरा टैगलाइन हो गया ना वो.
अरे यार मेरे को स्पेसिफाई करना पड़ता है हमेशा यार, मैं रास्ते में चलता दे बे ऐसे. So that's why. But thank you so much guys for watching. और भी ऐसे ही अमेजिंग इंटरव्यूज आपके लिए लेकर आएंगे. But yeah, do give Sneha a follow.
Yeah.
And क्या बोलते हैं उसको, slide into her DMs.
Okay, so जाने से पहले ना we have a way of saying bye.
अरे हाँ,
Okay.
bye बोलना है ना.
तो it's just a normal but just an elongated ऐसे सुर में bye बोलते हैं.
अच्छा सुर में
ये
बात
तूने गाया नहीं है वैसे.
Oh yes.
नहीं ठीक है ना,
ठीक है,
कोई
चलो।
प्रॉब्लम नहीं है.
Okay.
ठीक है.
चल 1 2 3
Bye.